Make your factory screen smarter. Meet CB6, the wireless AI box that brings wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Android apps to your original display. Download your favorite apps through Google Play or Store apps. Then enjoy videos, music, podcasts, and more while parking or taking a break. Built-in 4G LTE keeps CB6 connected wherever you go. Just insert a SIM card to access the internet and share the connection with other devices via Wi-Fi hotspot. Built-in GPS works with the TrackHU app to support vehicle location tracking, geofencing, and remote vehicle status monitoring from your smartphone. Dual Bluetooth helps manage wireless CarPlay and Android Auto connection separately from everyday Bluetooth functions. Bluetooth Screen Lock helps protect your privacy when you leave the car.
Find a supermarket near me.
We've found several supermarkets nearby.
With Drive Chat, you can control supported Bluetooth devices by voice, ask for nearby places, and get helpful answers on the road. Pair CB6 with a compatible Bluetooth OBDII scanner to get fuel reminders, nearby gas station suggestions, and clear explanations of OBDII fault codes.
Turn on the ambient lights.
Supported BLE accessories make every trip more personalized and interactive. CB6, smarter connection, smarter apps, smarter driving.